Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Manny Gladys aka Adeshago. So today I'll be showing you how to use just water and plastic roller to roll your straight hair, just to give it a different look. So all you just have to do is to be generous with the water. You're just using water. Make sure you sprinkle enough water on the hair. Don't be stingy with the water, okay? Don't mind me, I'm just joking. So sprinkle enough water. Make sure that the hair is very wet before you start rolling. So you're just going to use your comb to cut out just a bit small. Then you use your plastic roller to roll it. And when you're rolling it, ensure that you hold the hair very tight. Make sure the hair is tight on the roller. Yeah, that's what you just roll and roll and roll. After you're done, you keep it under the sun, or if you're in a place where there is no sun, you can just keep it anywhere and allow it to dry properly. It must dry very well, as in dry, very dry, before you remove the rollers. So guys, just watch the video and see what I'm doing, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. And if you have any question, I'll be waiting for you at the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.